चलो. So what is the topic? Shortest distance between two moving particles. Last topic. Shortest distance between two moving particles. We have to find the shortest distance. Okay. So क्या है? We will see this all things. So distance of closest approach. Suppose मान लो one particle is there. One particle is there. Other particle is there. One particle is moving to the right side with speed is 3 meters per second. Another particle is there. It is going straight में 4 meters per second. Okay. We call this as A. This is B. Okay. एक particle right side जा रहा है, एक particle straight जा रहा है. Okay. And distance between them is the given as 10 meters. So he's asking what is the distance of closest approach. कितना closest में वो minimum distance क्या होगा? Tell me. When it is going right side and going coming this side, the minimum distance कितना है? He's asking. The particle can reach the minimum distance.
So won't it be the hypotenuse?
No, not like hypotenuse. We have to see the thing, shortest distance. Okay. Question understood, right? We have to find the shortest distance, minimum distance of closest approach. Okay. उसके रेस्पेक्ट में हम लोग क्या करेंगे? एक को रेस्ट मान लेंगे. एक को रेस्ट मान के उसके रेस्पेक्ट में वी हैव टू सी हाउ द पार्टिकल ऑफ ए पार्टिकल इज देयर. सो मैं क्या करूंगा? इस पार्टिकल को, बी पार्टिकल को आई एम कीपिंग एट रेस्ट. मेक रेस्ट. याद है ना ऐसा? इन रिलेटिव मोशन में भी डन, राइट? एक पार्टिकल को रेस्ट बनाया, उसके रेस्पेक्ट में वी आर सीइंग हाउ द पार्टिकल इज मूविंग, राइट? सो व्हाट इज द थिंग? टेल मी. इस डायरेक्शन को उल्टा करने का याद है वो वाला बी ए माइनस बी बी का. हाँ. सो उस पार्टिकल को रेस्ट रखो, उसके रेस्पेक्ट में उसका स्पीड निकाल के ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में लगाओ. सो दैट इज 3 meters per second. Now tell me, according to B, now it is at rest. Now which direction the particle A is going? This direction. Right? And how much speed से जा रहा है? 5 meters per second. Right? So it is going ऐसा. So he is asking the shortest distance. मतलब when you draw one perpendicular, this is the shortest distance. Our intention is to find
How
D.
is it moving in that direction?
See, B is at rest, right?
Yeah.
उसके रेस्पेक्ट में ए किधर जा रहा है? देखो, उसके पास दो वेलोसिटी है ना. One is 3, one is 4. Resultant is what? This direction, 5. So that direction only it is going. He's asking the shortest distance is how much he's asking. Use some maths and try to find. Distance D. You tell me what is this angle? ये angle कितना होगा?
37.
37. Good. This is 37 degrees. Right? Now solve by using trigonometry use karo and try to find the things. Because so मैं ये कैसा है बोल के 3, this is a 4, right? This is a 4.
So we'll get 9 by 4.
3, no, wrong. And this is 5. So
So we'll
this
get 9
4.
by 4 only, right? Tan 37 is equal
D
to D by
value
3.
is D value I'm asking. D is how much? 9 by 4.
Yeah.
No.
Sir,
This angle. Tell me. This is 37.
sir, in which direction was B going?
See, B is going initially right side.
Oh, sir, 15 by 4.
No, wrong. Perfect number आएगा. See, B is going initially this direction. But हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? We want to find the shortest distance. So मैं क्या करूँगा?
Sir, which direction is A going?
A going initially this direction.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So B को rest मान के उसका speed exactly उल्टा बनाया इसके ऊपर. So according to B, the A is going like this now, right? Because in दोनों को resultant only the
Sir, but the triangle is wrong, sir. You got the base as 5 and you're getting hypotenuse as 4.
See, by this is the hypotenuse, right? 5, right? This is hypotenuse. See, ऊपर मैं क्या वेक्टर को ज्वाइन कर दिया, ट्रायंगल लॉगरिथम. देखो, this is a 4, this is 3, this is
Then you'll get 3 only.
this triangle. So now find D. Use any angle. Trigonometry use करो. This
Sir,
98. Tell me. Distance use करेगा, 4 use करेगा. Tell me. You got angle. You try to find, see the distance. D 10 है ना, वो यूज करो, 4 नहीं है. समझ में आया? See, we for angle के लिए we are taking the help of 4 3 5 वाला. Now find the, you take the sine 37 in this triangle में. This is 90.
Oh, yeah, that's
This is 10
got it.
10 meters, right? Sorry,
Six,
this
six,
meters.
six, six.
6 is answer. 10 meters है. Okay. So क्या होगा? Sine 37 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is D by hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse is 10. So sine 37 is 3 by 5 equal to D by 10. So 5 to the 10. So D is equal to 6 meters. This is the shortest distance. So whenever it is going different direction, एक particle को rest मान लो, उसके respect में उसका speed exactly उल्टा करो, the resultant direction only B के respect में that A is going. So shortest distance find करने का. Okay. In this में you try to find time taken to reach the shortest distance. एक कितना time लगा to reach the shortest distance? Try करो.
Won't it be 6 by 5?
हाँ?
6 by 5.
6 by 5? No, wrong. Time taken to reach the shortest distance. See, time का फॉर्मूला क्या है? वो यूज करो. Time is equal to distance by speed. Speed in that direction. Okay. In that direction, speed is 5. आपको ये distance find करो. Then only we can get. So you got D as 6. This is 10. So by using Pythagoras theorem, try to find this one.
8.
8. So time is equal to distance is 8 by speed in that direction is 5. So it is 1.30630 seconds. Understanding? So आपको दो things है in this type of problems में, 2 things they will ask. They will ask shortest distance, मतलब perpendicular distance you have to find. So by using angle वगैरह trigonometry use करके find करो. Time taken to reach means distance by speed. चलो नो एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे, उसका रेस्पेक्ट में हो जाएगा टॉपिक. Finish understood, Krisha? Here, this one? Yes. Sure. Next one.
So, one go. So how do you get the distance as 8?
Distance has 8.
The 5
देखो,
plus 3.
Pythagoras theorem. This is 10. This is 6. This is 8. So under root this square minus this square.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Now apply. Diagram draw करो. Ship A is moving westward with the speed of this much, and ship B is 100 kilometers south of A is moving northwards. So this is. Now draw the diagram and use. Ship A किधर जा रहा है? It is going westwards. North, south, east, west. West direction में जा रहा है. कितना speed है? That is 10 kilometers per hour. And ship B, which is south, not south. So this is B. इधर जा रहा है. It is south of A is moving towards north. North की तरफ जा रहा है ना? North की तरफ सीधे जा रहा है. कितना that is? Which is 10 kilometers per hour में जा रहा है. ये दोनों same speed में जा रहा है. And distance is how much? 100 kilometers. He asking find the time after which the distance between them becomes shortest. कौन सा time में the shortest distance you will reach?
So will theta be 30 degrees?
हाँ पहला आंसर सही हो जाएगा. I'll give options 0 hours, 5 hours, pi root 2 and 10 root 2. तो मैं तो सेम मतलब आपको टाइम चाहिए. दैट्स इट. नो नीड ऑफ शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस. टाइम चाहिए. So which direction B according to A, which direction the object will go? So इसका स्पीड उसको स्टॉप करके उसका स्पीड एग्जैक्टली उल्टा करो. So this is 10 kilometers per hour. So definitely इसका resultant will be
I'll get that as 10 root 2.
10 root 2. वो जा रहा है, इस सीधे जा रहा है. And this is the shortest distance, which we don't require the shortest distance. But I'm asking time कितना है इधर से इधर तक जाने के लिए. Speed तो मालूम है आपको. Distance find किया तो आ जाएगा. Angle कितना होगा? Because whenever two vectors are in the same value, the resultant will be exact bisector. So it is 45 degrees. Not right.
Bye-bye.
So would you get in root something?
Options. 0 hours, 5 hours, 5 root 2, 10 root 2 hours.
So 5 root 2.
5 root 2, no wrong. Look, time is only asking, right? Time is equal to distance by speed.
So will it be 5?
5. Speed is 10 root 2. Distance, मतलब ये distance चाहिए. Then only we can find time, right? ये distance कैसे आएगा? 100 is the distance, right? ये 100 है ना? 100 का component क्या होगा? This is 100, right? 100 का cos 45, right? So 100 cos 45. So 100 by 10, so 10 by 2, 5. So yeah, distance. I'm not sure how to find shortest distance. इधर पूछेगा तो in this question, suppose they find shortest distance. How to find?
So how do you know which particle they're talking about?
नहीं, which particle नहीं है. Time taken, the shortest distance.
50 root 2.
हाँ?
Distance.
कितना होगा?
50 root 2.
50 root 2.
Like 100 cos 45, yeah.
100 sin 45 आएगा.
No, sir, I used right angle triangle. I
Yes.
used trigonometry.
देखो, Krishna Shuda, देखो,
Sir,
the
sorry.
time after which the distance between the two particles will reach shortest distance means आपको first of all एक के respect में stop and check करो which direction the particle is going. So उल्टा लगा के दिखाया कि ये सीधे जा रहा है. And so he's asking this time. खत्म.
Yes.
Sir, is this the only way to solve it, or we can solve it in another way also?
Which method you are following? Any method also. Pythagoras theorem use करो. Any direct, because we know this distance right now. This distance you know, right? And this distance you know. Pythagoras theorem use करके we can find this.
Yeah, got
Any
it.
direction.
So if you take A, B in rest.
B is in rest. ले लो try करो. If
So
B
sir,
is in rest,
the direction of A will be north.
अब
northeast, right?
different हो जाएगा. देखो इसको stop करके उसको उल्टा लगाओ. ऐसा हो जाएगा ना? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So according to B, it will go like this. No. So it will go Saida, and again you draw the perpendicular distance. This will be the thing.
Yes,
But
sir.
again इसका components निकाल के again इसका angle मालूम है नहीं है ना? ये हम लोग ये direction मालूम हो गया ना आपको? That is easy for us 45 degrees. Again उसमें component find करना difficulty है. So एक rest बनाओ, then उसके always try to take ऊपर वाला rest and B के direction में लगाओ, हो जाएगा.
Okay.
Okay. So by this your complete chapter successfully done motion plane में.